Hello viewers, I am going to show you how to enable two-step verification on your Gmail in an easy way. Okay, let's start. First, click on Gmail. Now click on Gmail icon logo. And now click on manage your Google account. Scroll down and click on security and sign in. Scroll down. Now click on two-step verification. Now click on add phone number. First select your country, then add your phone number. Then confirm your phone number and save here. Now click here, turn on two-step verification and click turn off. Your two-step verification code has been activated. Thank you.